So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and change your YouTube thumbnail after uploading. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and then head to your profile and then click on view your channel and then head to your video section. Now, for example, let's say I want to change thumbnail for this video. All I need to do is click on the triple dot icon, or even better, I can just click on the video, pause it, and then all I need to do is click on edit video right over here. Now, once I've clicked on edit video, all I need to do is go down to thumbnail section and then click on change. It is as simple as that. Then you can select anything from your PC and then upload it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.